Aerial yoga is an innovative and playful form of yoga that uses a suspended hammock or fabric to support the body in various poses. This practice blends traditional yoga postures with the sensation of floating in the air, allowing for a deeper stretch, greater flexibility, and enhanced core strength. The hammock acts as both a prop and support system, making it easier to perform more advanced poses or achieve deeper stretches while minimizing strain on the body. One of the key benefits of aerial yoga is the ability to perform inversion poses, where practitioners are upside down. The hammock helps to support the body in these poses, reducing pressure on the spine and neck while offering the benefits of spinal decompression, improved circulation, and enhanced energy flow. These inversions help increase flexibility and promote a sense of relaxation and freedom. The suspension of the body in the hammock also allows for deeper stretches in areas such as the hips, back, and shoulder. The fabric helps to relieve tension, improve joint mobility, and increase range of motion, which can be especially beneficial for individuals with tight muscles or chronic tension. Aerial yoga helps to lengthen and strengthen the body in ways that traditional yoga on the mat may not be able to. Aerial yoga also builds core strength, as many poses require balancing in mid-air. The engagement of abdominal muscles and stabilizing the body in various poses challenges coordination and body awareness. This focus on core engagement leads to improved balance and stability, both in the hammock and in everyday movement. Mentally, aerial yoga provides a sense of playfulness and freedom. The feeling of floating and defying gravity can bring joy and reduce stress, while the unique movement patterns encourage mindfulness and presence in the moment. As you move through the fabric and explore new ways to stretch and strengthen, you build both confidence and body awareness. In essence, aerial yoga is a fun and effective way to deepen your yoga practice, improve strength and flexibility, and experience the benefits of inversion and relaxation.